Okay, in this clip I'm going to show you how to use the sum and average functions in Microsoft Excel. So what I have here is a data set, and I want to find the mean, which is going to be the average, and the sum of this data set. So I'll start out with the average. Put equals in, started typing average, and I'm going to select the function from this list, and it gave me an open parenthesis. So now I just need to select my data set, add a close parenthesis, and enter, and I have my mean here. Sum function works in a similar way. I just type equal, select the sum function from the list, I have an open parenthesis, select the data set, close parenthesis, enter, and so I have the sum of all these numbers equals 270. Another way you can find these numbers is from the Home tab. It's actually a little different from what I'm used to, but okay, so yeah, we have these functions up here as well. So if I could select sum from up here, now it enters the function. It just wants to know where the data set is, or array of numbers. I just select it there. Actually, if it's sum, I want to have that down here. Okay, so it's just looking for a data set. Select the data set, hit enter, or this checkbox up here, and I can also find average up here. Now it inserts the function. Now I just need to select the data set, click enter, and there you go. That's how you find the mean and the sum of a data set using the average function and the sum function.